Have you ever had that moment when someone finally gets you? Like, really gets you? Because that's what respect feels like. Today, we're talking about that. Let's talk about Soji.
Okay guys, here we go. When you first heard Sujesu, what came to your mind?
Kala ko ato name lang, yun. Pero seryoso, medyo nakagulo sa una.
Same. Pero nung in-explain na, let's Soji SC is basically about who you are, who you love, how you express yourself, and your body's traits, not yan body.
Yung J dyan, gender identity. That's it nga lang. Like people assume a lot based on how you look. Pero minsan, hindi tugma yung look mo at labas mo. That's why it's okay.
Okay, true.
Exactly.
Tama.
It's true.
I have a friend. I have a friend siya as a trans. Next time ko lang narinig, sabihin, this is who really am I. Grabe. Nakakaiyak. Kasi totoo niya sa sarili niya.
Alam mo, di mo kailangan ma-perfect yung terms para mapakita ng respeto. You just try to learn and try to understand kung ano sila. Diba?
Tama.
Yeah.
Mga pre.
Minsan, simple lang yan. Don't laugh at someone's voice. Don't question why someone dresses in a certain way. Kung hindi mo gets, ask respectfully or let them be. Hindi mo kailangan magpakita ng malasakit.
As the students were lively chatting, the conversation turns into a question and answer.
Miss Sarah, is it hard being different?
Honestly, yes. Lalo na pag narinig mo yung sayang ka or baka face lang yan. Pero being different doesn't mean that something's wrong with you. We're not perfect, we're not experts, but we choose to be kind.
And to speak up, kahit sa mga simpleng bagay like correcting a joke, using someone's right pronouns, or just sitting beside someone who feels left out.
Yeah, true.
Your identity is valid.
You are love.
You deserve space.
You belong.
Okay lang, makikigaw.
Let us create a world where being you is enough, where everyone is seen and safe, and where respect isn't asked for, but it is given.